Morning, guys. For those of you that didn't believe me that I was going to upload a vlog, there it is. I'm uploading a vlog. I look a bit of like an alien right now because I don't really want to get dressed for work. But, let's go see what it's doing outside while my vlog uploads. I'll go show you what it's doing right now. Oh. Stay open, laptop. Let me go show you what it's doing out here. And this is what it's doing. Beautiful day, isn't it? I gotta walk out in that in half an hour. Please let it stop. Well, I'm gonna go finish uploading the vlog. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Hey, I just wanted to tell you guys good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Sorry it's dark. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.